So in 6.0, when you create the new project, it will ask you by default project name. So whatever project name you need to add in beginning. Once it is done, then you select whatever size or whatever you want page description, and then you can start your designing album. In new Karizma DesignSmart 6.0, in Auto Builder, you have new two options, Auto Layout or Auto Template. By default, Auto Layout will be selected. So when you go for the new page on timeline, and once you click on the cut button, the new page will generate with the layout only. Layout means no clip art, no frame, no background, only the layout. If you want template, then you need to select Auto Template. This will work based on the template folder, whatever category you have selected in template. So example, in template, in the library or user, whatever category you have selected, and once you make the new page from the auto builder with the auto layout selection, and when you click the new page, automatic new page will be generated based on the template. Template means when you click on the cut button, automatic template will be generated. Landscape will go to landscape. Whatever you use in template, background, clip art, frame, mask, whatever, and your new template will be designed automatically with the auto template. So you have two new options in a auto builder, layout or template. In new 6.0, you have a new item, auto template folder base. It means if you want to create a new template, you need to first select the automatic template. On template, which folder you want automatic. So select the category you want. So whatever category you selected in user or library, and now if you want to create a new template automatically, select the number of image you want, and once you click on the add template, automatic whatever folder you have added in template will be designed based on your category. So whatever category you have selected from here, user or library, based on that automatic template will be come. So example, you have a different template called South Wedding now, and you want to create a new page. So whatever new page you will create, it will take from the South Wedding category. So once you add on auto template, select the number of image you want, then click to add template. Automatic from South category, it will create the new template by default. So this is the new feature from category based auto template. So in 6.0, in the image category, in a user section, you have hide use photo indicator. By default, it is on. It means whenever you use photo into the page, after applying photo, add in a page, it will be hide automatically. So when you add the image, you can see the image is hide. And if you want hide image once again, you can unhide switch and your use indicator will come, and you can see all use image. If it is hide, it means whatever image are used will be automatically will be not given display over here. If you delete this image, automatically will become in a unused division. In Karizma DesignSmart 6.0, we have a new features called Smart Guide. So when you move the image, you will get the blue color indication. This blue color indication you have for the left half page, you will get from the center half page, you will get from the right half page. So you can design perfectly on the center whenever you want. We have a different color indicator also. It means if you are add multiple image, and if you want to do a smart guide, you can move the object for the, you will get pink color indication. Pink color means you will get object, you will get pink color, and if it is page, you can have a page. So you will get blue color indication separate, and you will get object indication center separate. So you can align exact half page whatever way you want. You can select number of page you want, number of picture you want, and you can make exactly a center of the page. If you want to design, you can design very quickly. In 6.0, you have a new feature called Smart Guide Spacing. It means if you have two objects and you want exact space between two objects, you can do very smartly automatically. Example, you have a collage and you have approximately in between two images, you have space. Example, you need exit space. Fine. You are given here. Now you are adding another object which is not in collage and you want to do exit spacing and your smart guide is on. Then when you put the image, the smart guide will lock automatically with magnetic tool with object. Now you know exit space between these two objects. Then we have new features in a smart guide spacing in alignment. You can write down exit spacing you want. Example, I need exit 10 mm space. And when I move this object, automatically my object will be locked on 10 mm because I have given 10 mm space here. So when you move image, any image or any object, it will lock automatically on 10 mm. So you will get perfect designing the way you want with smart guide spacing. In Karizma DesignSmart 6.0, you have a in align option. You have two item alignment, a smart guide alignment for page base or safe area base. So when you do the alignment, right now we have safe area base. So whatever you have aligned the safe area, and when you switch on this one safe area, and when you move, you will get exact from this safe area to this, and center to this will be get exact distance. If you click on the page base alignment, and when you align the image, you will get exactly from this page to center area, and this page to you will get same area, whatever you want. So you can align whatever smart guide you want, page base or safe area base. So you will, after cutting also, you will get perfect centering alignment smartly. So in 6.0 we have new option called gradient. So whenever you select object, you will get round indicator for the gradient. So select the object, and to give the gradient, just drag and you will get the softness. So you can do gradient from any corner you want, top, bottom, left, right. And if whatever the gradient you have given and you want to do rotation or sharp, then go to filter gradient category and you can adjust that sharpness, softness, how much gradient you want. If you want angle, you can do angle from here. So if you want to reset the gradient, just double click on the gradient and gradient will be reset. So whatever gradient you have given, drag it and reset, double click, it will reset the gradient. In new 6.0 you have gradient color. So if you select shape or any other item, click on the color and you will get the full range from black to white gradient color, whatever color you have selected. So whatever you want color, soft color or any color, you can select from here and apply it. So you will get perfect color. Same item you can do from every color. So example, stroke color. So when you go for color, you will get the whole range. So whatever color you need, you select the color you want and whole range of the color you will get. So any color you select, you will get the full range and you can use exact color you want. In 6.0 we have given more user friendly in gradient in a filter. So if you want to do line base, you have line base, you have two line base, you have round base, and you have square base in this direct online. So if you want to do line base, select the line base, and what kind of you want top, select the top, and whatever you will do will be given gradient on the top. So if you want to do for bottom, select the bottom and you will get directly from bottom. If you want right, select the right. If you want to do left gradient, so you have direct online selection based on what you select category from top. If you want two line, click on the two line and you will get two options. You want top bottom, select top bottom and you can do gradient. If you want left right, you can select left right and you can get gradient. If you want circle, click on the circle, we get circle base. If you want square base, you can do square base and you whatever gradient you want. So you have online tool for the gradient, more user friendly. In Karizma DesignSmart 6.0 now you can create your own preset, you can save the preset, you can make the favorite preset and you can do instant search of the preset from all the categories individually. If you want to make any preset for color, shadow, outline, stroke, glow, whatever you want, you select the category, create the preset first. So make example, I need to make black and white preset, click the black and white, select what kind of colors you want, set RGB color. To create the new folder, click on the new folder, make your preset folder, say I want BW1 folder name. So it is my BW1 folder name, you will get here. Now you want to save this preset, click on the save switch, write down the name BW and say OK. So your preset is now saved. If you want to make new preset, same thing, create what kind of preset you want and click on the save. say BW2 example. So now you have two preset is created. If you want to make favorite, click on the favorite. You can create the favorite. If you want to delete the preset, select the preset and you can delete the preset from here and the preset will be deleted. If you want to delete the entire folder, you can click on the remove folder. You can delete the folder. If you want to make multiple favorite and you want to search favorite, click instantly, click on the favorite. It will give you instant favorite, whatever you have created. So like this, you can do that. All you can do that in shadow, you can do in stroke, you can do in glow, filter, text, and all. So like this, you can do all the preset instantly, whatever you want, and you can reuse wherever you want. In 6.0, when you add any image on the background, after background selection, you will get zoom option now here directly on the background content toolbar. So whatever you will do zoom from here, you can do zoom from here. If you want to do blur, you have direct now new item blur over here. So whatever you want, you can do blur from here. Same blur you can do from the gradient tool, near the gradient filter tool, and you can do blur from here. So whatever blur you want, you can do blur from here also. Same blur you can do from here also. In 6.0, whenever you scale the image, you can see now indicator height and width after scaling. So whatever width and height you have here, you can see that after the scaling. And if you move the image left and right position, you will get X and Y position. So when you move image from left and right, you will see position after the move or scale. So in new Karizma 6.0, we added new shape in edit window or circle. So once you click circle, you will get the perfect circle. So you can stretch, resize it. It will give you always on a circle shape. In 6.0, you have many new features for the text. So whenever you want to create the text, click on the text. Whatever you type for the text, you can modify and give many effects directly now on text. So if you want to give like any color to the text, you can go to color straight directly now without any selection. Then you can apply any color you want. If you want to change the size of the text, you have a slider now. So you can change the slide from the slider directly. If your text are cut from the box, you'll get the use indicator. It means crop indicator, that your text are cut and you can resize that or realign whatever text you want. So you will get the crop indicator. You can apply any preset on the text. You can change size also after the preset apply. If you whatever preset effects applied, and if you want to reset, you have a reset all icon. So once you click on the reset all, whatever preset or whatever item you applied on the text will be reset whenever you need. Even you can save your own text, you can modify, delete whole folder, whatever you want. You can have inbuilt favorite text and you can have favorite search text also. In new DesignSmart, you have now new feature. In every content, you can now from the library, whatever we have given to you, you can now delete any item you want. So whatever you need, you can select and you can delete. So unwanted, all the materials, clip art, frame, template, layout, you can delete. When you open the project and if you have used that material, you will get missing indicator like this. If clip art is missing, you will get clip art indicator, frame, mask, background or image. Whatever indicator missing you have, you will get use it. Missing indicator. If you have missing indicator and if you go for export, you cannot do the export because and you will get all the messages that what item is missing. So whatever is missing, you need to open that page and replace that item, then only you can do the export. So this is the new feature from you can use delete and missing indicator from page as well as export.